You want to play with your abacus? You want to play with your abacus? Yeah, very good. Oh, what if I go like this? What if I go like this? Put them all there. What are you going to do now? Slide them back? Yes! Slide them back. And what calculation did you do, sir? I see, that is advanced math. You know, you're using the imaginary numbers row. Yes? Yes! Oh, how about this? You want to play peekaboo instead? You want to play peekaboo instead? Hmm? Back and forth, back and forth. That's just a very rough back of the napkin calculation. Yeah. Huh. Very rough. Okay, how about this? Those are fun. No. The end. The end. It's a snowy day. It's a snowy day. Goodbye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye-bye. Okay, fridge.